Hello students, this is class 11, English grammar, topic direct and indirect speech. Students, I am going to start a new topic today. First, there are two different ways in which we can report the word of a speaker. Listen again. There are two different ways. There are two different ways in which we can report the words of the speaker. First, direct speech and indirect speech. Clear? First, direct speech. Second, indirect speech. Clear? And what is a direct speech? What is direct speech? The message of the speaker. The message of the speaker is conveyed or reported in his own actual words without any change. It is called direct speech. Or direct speech contains the actual words of the speaker. Clear? Examples: she said, I am watching movie. She said, I am watching movie. He said to me, I am feeling unwell today. Students, in these sentences, actual words of the speaker are given within inverted commas without any change. Listen again. In these sentences, actual words of the speaker are given within inverted commas without any change. Okay? Students, now indirect speech. Indirect speech gives the substance of the speaker's actual words and not the exact words spoken by him or she. Or you can say when we do not say the actual words of the speaker is called indirect speech. Clear? Example: she said that she was watching movie. She said that she was watching movie. Next example: he told me that he was feeling unwell that day. Clear? In indirect speech, we remove inverted commas. Clear? Students, now direct speech. You know, direct speech is divided into two parts. Direct speech is divided into two parts. First, reporting verb and reported speech. What is reporting verb? How it works? The word which introduces the verb which introduces the reported speech is called reporting verb. Clear? Second is reported speech. The exact words of the speaker which are put within inverted commas are called reported speech. Listen again. What is reporting verb? The verb which introduces the reported speech is called reporting verb. Clear? Second is reported speech. The exact words of the speaker which are put within inverted commas are called reported speech. Clear? Example, they said, USA had won the match. Students, in this sentence, USA had won the match. The sentence is in inverted commas. That's why it is reported speech. Clear? They said, it is introduces reported speech. Clear? That's why it is reporting verb. Clear? Students, in indirect speech, the reported speech is put within inverted commas. Clear? Listen again. The reported speech is put within inverted commas. The reported speech and the reporting verb are separated by comma. Clear? The first word of the reported speech begins with capital letter. Listen again. The first word of the reported speech begins with a capital letter. Clear? In the reported speech, we may use any tense required by the sense and any kind of sentence. Okay? Students, now in the indirect speech, which rules we follow? Okay? First, inverted commas are removed. Okay? Second, the comma separating the reporting verb from the reported speech is removed. Clear? Next, reported speech introduces by a conjunction like that, if, what, why, etc. Listen again. Reported speech is introduced by a conjunction like that, if, what, why, etc. Next, reporting verb changes according to sense. Clear? Next, the tense of reporting verb is never changed. Clear? Last, all kinds of sentences change into assertive ones. Okay? Listen again. All kinds of sentences change into assertive ones. Okay? Students, note 5 sentences: assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, optative sentence, and exclamatory sentences are changed into indirect speech. Clear? Rules for the change of tenses. How will you change? If reporting verb is in present or future tense. Listen again. If reporting verb is in present or future tense, the tense of reported speech does not change. Clear? If reporting verb is in present tense or future tense, the tense of reported speech does not change. Example, Ram says Hari has gone to Agra. Students, in this sentence, you know, this is a reporting verb and the reported speech. Hari says is reporting verb. It is in simple present tense. Clear? It is in simple present tense. That's why the tense of reported speech does not change. Clear? Ram says We use conjunction that here to connect reporting verb and reported speech. Ram says that Hari has gone to Agra. Is it clear? Okay. Students, if reporting verb is in past tense, the tense of reported speech change as follows. Okay? Simple present tense or present indefinite tense changes into simple past tense or past indefinite tense. Clear? Next, present continuous tense changes into past continuous tense. Third, present perfect tense changes into past perfect tense. Present perfect continuous tense changes into past perfect continuous tense. Clear? Past indefinite tense is changed into past perfect tense. Clear? Past continuous tense changes into past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect tense, no change. Clear? It means it will be unchanged. Past perfect continuous tense, no change. Clear? Is it clear? Okay. Students, next, shall changes into should, will changes into would, can changes into could, may changes into might, has to, have to change into had to. Clear? Must, ought, could, would, might, had better, and used to, no change. Clear? Students, today's lecture is over. It will be continued. Okay? And you will learn all rules of direct and indirect speech. And also you will learn definition of direct and indirect speech. Okay? Thank you all of you.